Hey guys, this is Daniel, respiratory therapist here at Lofta. So you've been newly diagnosed with sleep apnea and prescribed CPAP therapy. I know this new nightly routine can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to sort of go over sort of early expectations as a new user. Point number one, it's going to take some time to acclimate. You've got a mask on your face, you've got air blowing at you, you've got a tube every which way, so it's going to take a little bit of time to adjust. In terms of actually benefiting from therapy, the window there after some consistency is about 6 to 8 weeks. The first mask might not work out for you, maybe too robust, too bulky, you might just hate the darn thing. But we're here to help find the right mask for you. So whether it's a cushion size, the mask style, again, we can help you out. So don't be frustrated. With pressure adjustments, it can be too much and overwhelming for some, especially as a first-time user, so we can make modifications in that for comfort. Humidification settings can be a feature that we can also help you with. You may experience dryness or condensation or rain out in your tube. So if any of those things happen, please do reach out. The next point I'd like to talk about is cleaning and maintenance. So there is a little bit of cleaning required with your CPAP therapy. Very brief. You've got your mask, you've got your tubing, you've got your water chamber. All those can be cleaned in a matter of 5 minutes at the bare minimum, once a week for the chamber and tube. With your mask, your cushion, that's a little bit more frequent, daily or every other day. We've got a video on our website and our Lofta YouTube that you can refer back to for additional sort of information. The last point I wanted to talk about is resupply. So there are items in your therapy that need to be replaced. So with your mask, your tubing and your water chamber, the larger items, those are meant to be replaced every 6 to 12 months or as needed. More frequently, however, are the machine air filters and your mask cushion. Specifically with the cushion, it softens over time, so it's really important to get that replaced regularly so you don't experience leaks. Just to wrap things up, being new to CPAP is incredibly challenging, but we're here to help you out. It's going to require a little bit of patience and perseverance, but if you reach out to us for support, we'd be happy to help you out in any facet of your therapy, whether it's mask exchanges, pressure changes, or humidification, comfort settings. We're here for you. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button here somewhere to alert you for future videos.